gorgeous peeps on my birthday week. I'm going to take a week. Why not?
It's her birthday today. It won't be her birthday today when this is aired, but I'm going to say happy birthday, Momma Cherri. If we could all type happy birthday, Momma Cherri in the comments, that'd be amazing. Thanks.
Thank you, people. So, even though it's my birthday today, I'm working because at the very last minute on Friday last week, and today is Monday, the 13th of May, just in case, put it in your calendar for next year. They said, oh, I've got a red carpet event at my new clinic. Could you do some food for me? And you know me. I said yes. So I am really busy trying to put together some platters. So I thought it'd be nice to show you how you can throw together a really quick and easy crudity one.
Sorry, what?
A crudity one.
Crudity.
I said
That's what you said.
I said crudity.
You said crudity.
I said crudity.
It sounds like crudity.
Well, cruditties.
It's actually crudité.
That's the one.
Okay.
Vegetables on a stick. Okay? Now, I don't know about you guys, but quite often I buy these little mini corn things. And all I tend to do with these, you see these in a lot of Chinese dishes, stir fries. That's all people tend to do with these is stir fry. Nah, you ain't got to stir fry them. I'm going to show you a different way how we can turn them into a nice, tasty, really good snack. So, the very first thing we're going to do is like, comment, and share this video.
I started moving. I didn't know what you were doing.
No,
I was dancing with you. I was like, what are we doing? What are we doing here?
This is the first cause of action. Support us on Patreon, please, people. We need you. We need you. But then, the next thing you're going to do, get yourself a pot. Put it on the boil. Add some salt. And then, turn it up. And all we're going to do is we're going to take these little corn cobby things. We're going to drop them in some water. And all we're doing here is we're just blanching them. Okay?
What does blanching mean?
Which just means we're just kind of boiling them off a little bit. Getting them soft, but not super soft. I still want to maintain some crunch. Okay. Now, the main reason is because I'm then going to stick them up the butt.
Wowzers, Mum was not ready for that.
Like this. Let me show you. If you try and do this right now, it's a little bit harder. But if you once it goes soft, zoom, it's in. Okay. So we're going to put those in, and then we're going to do that. While that is happening, let's arrange a tray, okay? So I've got some celery. Let's see, let's separate this. We've got some cucumber. Now I've already pre-sliced my veg.
You didn't need to see Mum slicing veg, did you?
No, they didn't need to see me slicing up no veg. I have faith in my peeps. I really do. So I'm just going to try and separate these into colors.
You've got a piece of pepper by you on the table.
Where? Okay. And let's get these.
So can you let people know what you've got there?
So I have some red pepper, okay, bell pepper as you call it in America.
Yeah.
I have some celery. Where's my celery? Here's my celery. I have cucumber. And I have some carrots as well. So those are
and green peppers as well.
And green pepper, yes.
So people could basically use whatever they want.
You can use
yellow pepper,
you
orange
want.
pepper.
Just go for some kind of color though.
Yeah.
All right, really try. And this is a really good one because children tend to they gravitate. That's what I'm looking for. They don't mind these. And these are some really nice vegetables you can put into their school lunches.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You know, and it gets them going. All right, so let me do this tray, and I'm gonna come back to you once I have lined this tray up, because you don't need to see me sitting here sorting out no veg. Be with you in a minute. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is the corn has been boiling for about 5 minutes. That's all you need. So let's get these out. Okay. Ouch. That was hot. I shouldn't have picked that up. That was very hot. Now, as you can see, I have my griddle pan here. And with my griddle pan, it is lightly oiled. You don't want a lot of oil. And to that, we're going to add some love dust, baby, yeah.
See, I don't know why, but I keep expecting you to maybe forget to do that one time, and you never do. You never forget.
Bam! There we go. So we're just going to cook off some of those spices. And while those spices are cooking off, this is the point where, yeah, see how quick and easy they went? Yeah. So we just want to get these. Be careful, they are hot. But y'all know me. I got asbestos fingers and hands.
Would you recommend maybe letting them cool a bit?
Teeny bit, maybe. Or using gloves or something.
Okay.
The thing is, you don't want them to cool too much because they are easiest when it is hot.
Okay.
Okay, so now what we're going to do, watch, we're going to take these and we're going to lay these straight in the pan. Turn that down a teeny bit. I want to keep going. Let's keep it going. Ooh, these are going to be good. Get these in. And then you roll them. Because you want them to be blackened.
Okay.
These are blackened.
So kind of resembling like they've been on a barbecue grill.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That's it. We've got this. I need to fix that. Just literally, I want them to look as if they have been on a barbecue grill. And now I'm going to take a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Get that color. Now, first thing, what I'm missing, can you hand me my butter? It's in the butter dish.
Yeah.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Put that down here. I'm going to add a little bit of butter because I just like butter, hot buttered corn.
Yeah.
So, let's just get that butter melting. Yeah.
Oh, whoopsie.
Whoops. And we're going to turn those off, okay? So we'll leave those. Now, I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to separate these, and it's going to be quite easy to separate now that I've separated them there. We're going to do them on smaller trays because I'm going to put some salsa in the middle of one tray and some sour cream in the middle of the next one. Let's go here.
So have you got store-bought dips?
Yeah, we're just going with store-bought. I mean, this was a really quick catering job that we got on. So no, we're going store-bought.
However, I mean, we do have a homemade salsa, which I'll put a link in the video if you wanted to. Not salsa, hummus.
Hummus.
But we haven't done our salsa.
Have we not done salsa?
No.
Oh, well then.
So we need to do the salsa.
I'm going to have to do some salsa for you guys then. I will get to it.
Because Mum's got a great salsa recipe.
Yeah, I'll do some salsa. I thought I did a cooked salsa.
No, and you haven't done salsa and you haven't done guacamole either.
Okay, well then I'm going to be doing you guys some guacamole. Because even though I have bought this from the store, I always add fresh ingredients to my thing. So the salsa one that I'm going to use, I shall be adding some, so now let's get these corns in here. Just throw them in.
Oh, fantastic.
I shall be using some fresh tomatoes in my salsa. How's that look?
Yeah, it's good. It looks like you've walked along the bay in Greece and bought a corn on the cob from a fisherman grilling them for the tourists.
Yeah, and that's what it is like. It is kind of like that.
Cool.
Okay, so
those two there, if you move them so that they would... No.
I wanted to do...
Those two look a bit weird
Oh
to say
yeah,
on their own.
I know. I want to do 3. I'm going to do 3 lots. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know why it's uneven?
Because we ate one.
We ate one. So
because we tested it to check
I'll do this one
that
like
it was
this.
nice.
I'll do that one there, but this one I'll keep like this. So, I'll be back to you in 1 minute. Okay, so, here's our 2 trays. I think they look pretty good. Now, this one here has some store-bought salsa. This has some store-bought, what do you call it, sour cream dip. But what I'm going to do is, we're going to add some freshness to it. Okay, so you can always freshen up your store-bought. I know a lot of people get scared or intimidated having to do everything from scratch. You don't have to. But you can take your store-bought ingredients and make them your own. Okay, just zigzag them up. So all I'm going to do is take me some fresh coriander. I'm going to add some of that to this. I'm going to add some to that. I'm going to then get a nice salad onion.
Careful, Mum.
Caught it. Spring onion. I'm just going to dice this down. There we go. Let's just get this. Try and get it as small as you can. Alright. You don't want the stringy bits. And then we're just going to add some of this to that. Add a little bit to that. Get a fresh lemon. Add some fresh lemon juice to both. Okay. Then get yourself some love dust and go peon. A little bit of salt. Okay. Okay. Then you just want to mix this up. Actually, I've got some sun-dried tomato
nice,
here,
actually.
which I'm going to be using in another recipe, but I'm going to add a little bit of that olive oil and a touch of some
that'd be nice.
sun-dried tomato.
Very nice. You completely changed the dip.
Okay. There we go.
How is it?
Good. Fresh! And then that goes there.
Cool.
And then this one. Let me add to this. Let me just see if I got some more. Oh, squeeze out.
Some more sour cream.
Yeah. Do you have some?
I see something on the door.
Yeah, now that's an old one. That's some Greek yogurt. That'll do. Yeah, that'll do. Let's just take a little bit of this yogurt. I just want to top that up.
Cool.
And
Maybe a bit more lemon.
yep. A bit more lemon.
Cool.
Nice. A bit more salt. That's nice though.
Cool.
And there you go. 2 crudité.
Sorry?
I just did that on purpose. Crudité trays.
Crudité.
Crudité trays.
Crudité trays.
Yeah, turn this way because I need to
Cover them.
cover them with some cling film.
Cool. Okay.
Okay.
It's really nice and simple.
Really simple. So, people, summer's here. Barbecue season. Want to get the veg into the kids? Make a couple of these trays. Boom, daddy, boom, goodbye. So, with a little bit of peace, a little bit of love, and a lot of soul from the mama. You know what? I got a comment the other day, and they said for our tattoos, because remember, we're getting tattoos when we reach 100,000. Come on, help me get to that milestone. And I'm going to have...
Hang on. We're going to have, so we need to discuss this whether or not I want it to.
Peace, love, and soul.
Oh, yeah, that's great. Let's do that.
I think that's a really good one.
Peace, love, and soul.
Yeah.
With maybe something in the middle.
And yeah. And then I'll put from the mama.
I'm not going to put from the
She don't
mama.
have to put all that, but peace, love, and soul. But peace, love, and soul. It's going to say 100,000. Peace, love, and soul.
Cool. All right.
And I have YT. YouTube, 100,000, peace, love, and soul.
I love how you're like just deciding what's going on in my body without any like discussion between the two of us.
What can I say? We're going to do this. So, enjoy. Bye, people.
Guys, I'm Eden from Eden's Amazing Friends. And I'm Momma Cherri's grandson. And if you're watching Momma Cherri, leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell.